Good day mga Kagads News. This is the book of Deuteronomy summary. The new generation of Israelites is now ready to take possession of the promised land. Moses gives a series of final speeches in which he reiterates the law of God and promises that one day God will send another prophet, reminiscent of the power and mission of Moses. Moses dies in Moab. Deuteronomy highlights God's singular nature as one true God, emphasizing His power, authority, and exclusivity. He is described as God of gods and Lords of lords, the great God, mighty and awesome. He is not partial and take no bribe, and demonstrate justice and compassion for the vulnerable, including orphans, widows,